Mastering everyday English. Take the stairs up. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language to make it as easy and fun for you to learn as possible. Today, we're focusing on a very common phrase you might hear in everyday conversations. Take the stairs up. Understanding these simple phrases can greatly improve your fluency and confidence in English. So, let's get started and climb this linguistic staircase together. Take the stairs up is a phrase that combines a few basic words to convey a specific action. Let's break it down. Take, in this context, means to choose or use a particular path or method. The stairs refers to the set of steps leading from one floor or level to another within a building. Up indicates the direction of the movement, which is towards a higher level or floor. Put together, take the stairs up simply means to choose to use the stairs to go to a higher floor or level in a building instead of using other methods, like an elevator or escalator. This phrase is commonly used in various situations. Here are a few examples. 1. In a fitness context, someone might say it to suggest choosing a healthier option by getting some exercise. 2. In an emergency, it could be used when elevators are not an option, and the stairs are the safest way to move upward. 3. Giving directions, when you're telling someone how to reach a particular place within a building. When using this phrase, you can adjust it based on the context or the specifics of the situation. For example, could you take the stairs up to the 3rd floor? We decided to take the stairs up for some extra exercise. English is a versatile language, and like many phrases, take the stairs up can be modified or varied to fit different contexts or to convey a slightly different meaning. For example, take the stairs down. This indicates moving to a lower level using the stairs. Use the stairs, a more general advice to use the stairs without specifying the direction. Head up the stairs, a casual way to say go upstairs, often used in spoken English. Understanding these variations can help you better grasp the nuances of English and improve your ability to communicate effectively in different situations. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, take the stairs up. We hope this video has shed some light on how to understand and use this phrase in your daily English conversations. Remember, every step you take in learning a new language, no matter how small, is a step towards greater fluency and confidence. Keep climbing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy learning, everyone!